Hey guys, I'm Rebecca. This is Adla. This video answers the question, I just bought my oils, now what do I do? So today we'll go over the top 5 things I think you should do immediately after you get your Home Essentials Kit or your Family Essentials Kit, or you enroll with doTERRA. So here we go. Number 5, schedule a follow-up with your enroller. So that's whoever signed you up or introduced you to doTERRA. So if it was me, send me an email. I usually contact all of my clients at mid-month, so you can expect a phone call or an email, but if that person hasn't reached out, contact them, text them, or send them an email with any questions. That's part of the special thing about doTERRA is that relationship that you have with your enroller. They're not just going to have you purchase the oils and then drop off the face of the earth. So contact your enroller. Number 4. Number 4, get yourself some essential oil supplies. So the one thing that I always have on hand is fractionated coconut oil. So this isn't the oil you cook with, it's the coconut oil in liquid form, and doTERRA sells it on their website. Get yourself a glass or a couple glass spray bottles if you're going to make some cleaning supplies. And then some 5 ml and 10 ml roller bottles so you can make your own blends, and that just makes them more portable. So if you wanted to make a peppermint roller, say a peppermint and wild orange for energy while you're on the go, then you'd have a roller bottle that you could take it with you. Number 3, get familiar with doTERRA's website.
Hi.
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 They have so many different resources on there. Ebooks, they have a weekly podcast, they have the daily drop with different videos. Just so many different resources. Get on there and start looking. Also, I love the DropLi app. DropLi, it's spelled DROPLII, and it's just a quick way to have all of the oil resources you need on your phone. You type in an ailment, you type in a need, you type in an oil, and it will instantly give you some recipes and some ways to use that oil. Number 2. Get yourself set up with a daily routine. So by that I mean, if you know you want to sleep better, make a list and say, every night I'm going to inhale lavender or rub it on the soles of my feet before I go to sleep at night. If you've been having problems with mood or energy or staying focused, make a list that every day you're going to take your frankincense under your tongue in the morning when you wake up. If you're having problems with digestion, keep a DigestZen roller and vow to take it after each meal. Or make it a routine to put lemon in your water every morning. If you don't, the oils aren't going to get used and nobody's going to be happy. And number 1, are you ready for it? Number 1, put the oils out where you can see them, especially if you're a new essential oil user. Put the lemon out by the sink. Put the lavender next to your bed. Put the rollers that you've created in your purse. If you have a special roller that you use for anxiety, keep it in your purse. Make another roller and put it in your car. Just put the rollers and the oils out so that you see them and you're reminded to use them each day. And if you have that routine in mind, it's all about routine. And with the oils, it really is consistency. So if you use them once a week, they're probably not going to work that great. So consistency is key. So keeping that routine, keeping your oils out, and if you need anything, please reach out. I'm Rebecca Austin. My email is austinrebecca11@gmail.com. Happy oiling. Thank you. Thank you.
Mom.
I love you.